You know what that means. It's iPhone season. And this year, Apple has dropped the iPhone 16 series, which includes the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and the big one, the 16 Pro Max. And trust me, there's a lot to be excited about this time around. So, let's dive into the latest and greatest from Apple. Mobile phone sparkles. Let's kick things off with one of the coolest new features, the camera control button. This button is a game changer. It's a blend of mechanical and haptic magic, and it's gonna let you launch the camera app straight from the lock screen or anywhere on your phone. Imagine being able to snap a pic or start recording video instantly. That's right, no more swiping around for the camera app. You can also adjust settings with a simple double tap and even control zoom with a swipe. I've been playing around with it, and it's already a favorite. Camera with flash fire. Next up, let's talk about size, because the Pro models are bigger this year. The iPhone 16 Pro comes in at 6.3 inches, and the Pro Max, well, it's a massive 6.9 inches. That's some serious screen real estate. But that's not all. Both Pro models are powered by the A18 Pro chipset, which means even smoother performance and more power under the hood. And guess what? There's a brand new color, Desert Titanium. It's this beautiful, goldish shade, and honestly, it looks even better in person than it did in those leaks. Glowing star laptop computer. Now, let's jump into the camera upgrades, and trust me, there's plenty to be excited about. We're talking 4K video at 120 frames per second and a new microphone array for crystal clear audio. That's some pro-level video quality in your pocket. Plus, the regular iPhone 16 and 16 Plus have a funky sideways camera bump this year. And it's not just for looks. It supports spatial video for anyone who's lucky enough to own an Apple Vision Pro. Talk about future-proofing your content creation. Movie camera magnifying glass tilted left. But wait, there's more. The A18 chip is bringing some amazing AI features to all the models. We're talking about smarter Siri, AI writing features, and more. It's not all here yet. Some features are dropping later this year. But trust me, it's gonna be worth the wait. Oh, and the action button from last year's Pro models, it's now available on every iPhone 16. So, if you're feeling creative, you can even program it to do something wild, like order your coffee with the press of a button. Hot beverage robot face. And here's the kicker. All of the iPhone 16 models are available to pre-order starting September 13th. Yep, Friday the 13th. Spooky. Ghost and the LL start shipping out on September 20th. So, whether you're Team Pro or Team Plus, get ready to grab yours soon because these iPhones are about to be everywhere. Rock it. That's a wrap on our hands-on with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. What are you most excited about? Is it the camera control button, the bigger displays? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech updates. Until next time, happy iPhone season, everyone.